Okay, welcome back, all my dear students. Today we will discuss about medical abbreviations. Subject name, the medical terminology, record keeping, and orientation of medical laboratory sciences. The course code BMLS 1004 for BSc MLT Medical Lab Technology courses, the semester 1. Myself, Mr. S. Shankar, Assistant Professor, Galgotias University, School of Medical Allied Sciences. Introduction. Healthcare professionals often quickly scribble notes with important medical information that they would like a patient to reference in regard to the type of current and recently diagnosed disease, syndromes, and other healthcare conditions. Dear students, when the hospital join the patient, in the hospital, the doctors will follow the case sheet. In the case sheet, they written everything. The coding is there. They're writing like a code in short forms. Okay, short forms. These are the having the like a meaning is the very long, but word is the short word. Okay, that is the medical abbreviations. It have the some symbols also. That is we can discuss in this topic. Doctors and other healthcare professionals commonly use a list of abbreviations and other medical terminology as a reference to the rapidly search and accurately record information about and give instructions to their patients. This is the short list of common abbreviations you may have seen in a doctor's notepad. A prescription drug package or bottle or lab or other test result in your doctor's notes. You can see here the short list, the short forms of the regular uses in the hospital and doctor's notepad like a case sheet. You can see ALL, acute lymphoblastic leukemia. This is one of the cancer. It's related to white blood cell. Okay, in human blood contain RBC, WBC, platelet, these cells. Okay, from the WBC, WBC means white blood cells related to the cancer, acute lymphoblastic leukemia. Doctor unable to during the patient record, the doctor unable to write acute lymphoblastic leukemia. They don't want to write. They don't want to take a long time. They cannot spend a long time in the patient case sheet. That's it. Simply they write ALL. All. They'll write ALL. And next another one AMI, acute myocardial infarction. This one disease of related to heart. AMI. Simply they are written AMI. Next one B all. B ALL. B all. B-cell acute lymphoblastic leukemia. It means already we know very well all acute lymphoblastic leukemia. They are adding for B-cell. This is also one of the B-cell immune cell. Immune cells destruction by the some cancerous condition that is called the B-cell acute lymphoblastic leukemia. They can doctors can write only B. B all they write. Next one fish. F S H F S H follicle stimulating hormone, a blood test for follicle stimulating hormone which is used evaluate fertility. In follicular stimulating hormone, mostly we can observe in female patients either it is the female possible to getting fertility or not. Okay, that is also short form FSH. Even lab also the diagnostic center or clinical laboratory also they are following this coding also FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. Next one HAPE, HAPE, high altitude pulmonary edema. It is related to pulmonary like a lungs High altitude, who are the staying in high altitude areas like Uttarakhand, Himalayas, Jammu and Kashmir, those are areas. Their patients are mostly getting, it's called the high altitude pulmonary edema. Next, HPS, HPS, hantavirus pulmonary syndrome. This hantavirus can cause pulmonary disorder. This hantavirus we are getting from the rat. And the continuation, IDDM, insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, type 1 diabetic, IDDM, NBCCS, nevoid basal cell carcinoma syndrome, the cancer related to basal cells, like a type of the epithelial cell. PE, pulmonary embolism. This is the type of blood clot in the lungs. Okay, inside of the lungs, like a alveolar is there. There's somewhere some abnormality by the blood clot. That is called pulmonary embolism. SIDS, sudden infant death syndrome. Okay, sometimes infants death without any reason. That is we can call the sudden infant death syndrome. Next, TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. Thyroid stimulating hormone. This is the one of the blood test. They are mentioning TSH. The code they are using TSH for diagnosis of the thyroid disease. मतलब thyroid can be uh, producing two hormones T3 and T4 by the help of TSH. Okay, if it is TSH is abnormal, automatically the patient to thyroid gland secretions is the reduced. That is, we can identify or we can call TSH abnormality. Now we can see A related medical observations. The first one, A dot C dot. A dot C dot means before meal we have to take the medicine. When you are asking the doctor, they are in the prescription they are writing like a coding A dot C dot. Even also the same coding they are in pharmacy company also. Who are the making the tablet? They are mentioning the back side of the sheet. They mention like A dot C dot. And next one, A by G ratio, albumin and globulin ratio. Albumin and globulin ratio, we have to go for the take the albumin result and globulin we can go for the divided by. We will get it. This one you will understand clearly when you were studied in second year. In your subject also is there biochemistry. You can learn that. ACL, anterior cruciate ligament. This anterior cruciate ligament injuries are one of the most common ligament injuries to the knee. Okay, the ACL can be sprained or completely torn from trauma and or degeneration. By the growth factor or a trauma, this ACL ligament injuries. This ligament is present in nearby knee joint. Next one, AD lib, LIB, at liberty. It's called at liberty. For example, a patient may be permitted to move out of bed freely, and orders would therefore be for activity to be a AD lib. It means one patient they are taking continuously treatment on the bed like unconscious. If you have in the conscious, you cannot walk voluntary or you cannot go to the washroom voluntary. The type of patient when you are getting the healthy status, their doctors observing physically and mentally, then they are writing on the prescription by tomorrow AD leave means from tomorrow onwards you can do his own work voluntary without any person support. Okay, that is the ADLIB, AD. Next one, AFR, acute renal failure. Okay, any reason the kidney system or renal system failure by the any reason, either it is bacterial infection, either it is viral infection, or either it is any cancerous condition or pathological condition, that is called acute renal failure, AFR. Code is the AFR. And next one here, ADR, adverse drug reaction. Okay, when you are taking the prescribed drugs, by the drugs, if you are getting any symptoms like a blood pressure or a hypersensitive reaction, that is we have to mention ADR, adverse drug reaction. AIDS, AIDS I think you know very well, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. The complete word is the acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. That is short form is the AIDS. Even doctors also following the same abbreviation. Next one, anuric. Anuric. Anuric means not producing urine. Okay, anuria. It's called anuria also you can call absence of the urine production. Matlab, by the kidney failure, there is no urine formation. Okay, a person who is in anuric is often critical and may require dialysis. It means kidney is not functioning properly. Like in same way, ANED, alive, no evidence of disease. The patient arrived in the ER alive with no evidence disease. ADH, this is one of the hormone, antidiuretic hormone. ARDS, acute respiratory distress syndrome. ARDS, acute respiratory distress syndrome. Next one, ARF, acute renal failure. Next one, ASCVD, atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease. This is related to heart. Now we can see B, related to medical abbreviations. Here you can see the B.I.D. The medicine take twice per day. Daily, two medicines we have to take it twice daily, as in taking of medicine twice daily. Okay, two times, either it is morning and evening, either it is afternoon or night, like that one. Two times you have to take. Most of the tablets like in morning and evening is there before after lunch. Next one, BLD. BLD, blood. BLD code is the blood. Blood was visible on the patient's scalp. It means the blood we can observe on the patient's skull, on the skull. Okay, that is meaning like a BLD means blood only. I was given simple example for this one. Okay, and also you can write the same example, blood blood pumping by the heart. Same. Next one, bandemia. Bandemia, slang for elevated levels of band forms of white blood cells. Okay, it's called bandemia. Basilar, basilar, at the base of the lungs, for example, someone with pneumonia in both the lungs might have abnormality basilar breath sounds. Okay, when the patient getting the pneumonia, pneumonia means nothing but the water or liquid thickest fluid formation inside of the alveolar. During that time, when you are going for the breathing, that time is like making some disturbance inside of the lungs. That is called basilar. Next one, BKA, below the knee amputation. Below the knee amputation, and also we can call like AKA, above the knee amputation, means the knee surgery, knee open. Okay, knee surgery or knee open, front side or back side, or above or below. That is the simple meaning. And next, BMP, basic metabolic panel, Metabolic activity checking by the BMP coding, that is the electrolytes, potassium, sodium and carbon dioxide, dichloride and chloride, and creatinine and glucose. These are the basic parameters in BMP panel. And BP is like a blood pressure. Simple example, BP blood pressure, and BPD borderline personality disorder. A personality disorder means the thinking of cognitive disorder. Some. Next, C related observations. C and S. C and S. Culture and sensitivity performed to detect infection. Okay, the culture and sensitivity. This is one of the example. Culture means nothing but we have to take the patient sample, then you can go for the staining technique for identification of any bacteria. Okay, and also the bacteria, which type of antibiotic you can use for the curing. That is the culture and sensitivity testing. Next, C by O, complaint of the patient's expressed concern. Okay, complaint of the patient. We are writing on the sheet. When the patient come to the doctor, doctor writing, starting the writing, age, name, gender, and what is the problem. Morning khaya, night khaya tha. Like that, if you are eating or not, if you take what type of breakfast you are taken, what type of lunch is there, everything, the details. If you have any pain, stomach pain, headache, body pain or itchy, everything they are recorded. That is the C by O complaint of. Cap, capsule. Okay, capsule drugs, medicine. Next one, CA, cancer or carcinoma. CA coding is cancer or carcinoma. Okay, who are the undergoing to the patient and under the treatment, who are the cancer patient, that is the doctor can be mentioned the CA only. They don't want to write the cancer or they are don't want to write carcinoma, they mention simple code CA. Next, CABG, coronary artery bypass graft. You know bypass, I think you know very well bypass surgery. Okay, that is the CABG, coronary artery bypass graft. A surgery involve the heart. Okay, when the heart right and left coronary artery blocks, they are going for the one like making the bypass graft. Okay, by the another artificial or donor artery. In continuation, CC, the short form is CC. This is one of the abbreviation. Chief complaint. When the patient come to the hospital, the main concern the person clinical symptom, whether it is fever or a headache, diarrhea, vomiting, like that one. Main complaint. Next, CDE, complete dental evaluation. This is the mostly using in the dental hospitals for the evaluation of the dental, whether it is x-ray or oral cleaning, root canal or teeth cleaning, everything they are mentioned here. CC, cubic centimeters. This is for the most you are using like amount. Like you go for the blood amount, cubic mm, or body fluids such as a pleural fluid, pericardial fluid, peritoneal fluid. For that one, you can recorded purpose. You are using that cubic centimeters. Next one, chem panel. Okay, chemistry panel. Under the chemistry panel, we can diagnosis like a blood test, liver, kidney, electrolytes. Okay, okay, liver abnormality, kidney abnormality, and electrolytes abnormality. We can diagnose in chem panel. In the chem panel, like a liver, particular liver, under the liver, we have to go for the bilirubin, GOT, SGPT, and under the kidney, you can go for the creatinine, urea, and the electrolytes, sodium, potassium. This is all the under the chem panel. This is the one of the short panel. When you were hospital, the doctor they mentioned the panel, chem panel, like LFT or KFT, like that one they are writing. CPAP, the continuous positive airway pressure. Okay, a treatment of the sleep apnea. It means when the patient is sleeping, one person is sleeping, they are making some noise like a sound. During the patients, when you're undergoing for the treatment, that is called the CPAP, continuous positive airway pressure. They're making some particular treatment for this type of patients. And COPD. COPD is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. It's also related to the pulmonary disorder. And CT, chemotherapy. Chemotherapy, already I heard this word number of times in the news also they are saying chemotherapy for the cancer treatment. Next one, CVA, cerebrovascular accident. Cerebrovascular accident like a stroke, like means cerebral layer damaged. Cerebral layer damaged by the any physical accident. That time stroke will be happen like brain death. Okay, it causes the brain death. In this slide, we can discuss about D medical abbreviations. The medical abbreviations related to the D. DC or D by C, the discharge. The patient joining in the hospital for the treatment. After cure disease or everything fine, the doctors if we are ready for the discharge or discontinue the patient from the hospital to home. The patient home they are sending. That is the discharge. DC and DCIS ductal carcinoma insight. This is one type of the breast cancer. The patient is receiving treatment for the ductal carcinoma insight. Means when the patient having the breast cancer, this is the inside means the carcinoma inside means this is one of the type. Ducts will be present in the bed in the breast. There is some abnormalities there. That's called the ductal carcinoma inside. Okay, that is the DCIS. Next, DDX, differential diagnosis. DDX, differential diagnosis. The variety of diagnosis possibilities are being considered to diagnose a type of the cancer present in that patient. मतलब particular disease. For example, the patient having this particular one abnormality, like for example, kidney abnormality. If it is patient having the kidney abnormality, like a kidney related, the differential diagnosis related to the complete kidney. Okay, kidney ka whatever related organs or whatever related functions is there, they're all tests you have to perform. That is the differential diagnosis. Like the same way cancer also, if it is cancer is there, a cancer related differential diagnosis we have to perform. Next one, DJD, DJD, degenerative joint disease. Another term, osteoarthritis, related to joints. Okay, it's related to joints. Next, DM, diabetic mellitus, like sugar patients. Okay, continuation in the slide. The DNC. DNC is nothing but one of the word is the winding the cervix. It's matlab the treatment related to female. Okay, the DNC or D and C and D and C. Okay, nothing but simple word dilation and correctase. Means when the patient having the problem with cervix or vagina, they by the help of some equipment they are going for the cleaning or they are collecting the sample from the uterus. That is the DNC. Next one, DNR. Do not resuscitate. It means the mentally doctor will decided after complete observation of the patient. Okay, patient unable to save. Okay, almost within 1 hour or 2 hours he will die. That time the doctors will be like whatever they're taking about the treatment purpose, they stop the all procedures. They stop the all procedure. Any other doctor write the DNR, do not resuscitate. Resuscitate. Okay. DOE, dyspnea, shortness of the breathing, related to lungs, shortness of the breathing. DVT, deep venous thrombosis. It means blood clot in the large vein. Okay, superior and inferior vena cava is there in human body. When you study about anatomy physiology, you can identify these words also. Okay, what is the vein and artery? There somewhere some like a accidentally blood clot formation. When it is the blood clot formation, the doctor will mention DVT. In this slide, we can see the medical abbreviations related to E, F, and G. Let's see E. ETOH. ETOH is like the alcohol consumption. When the join the patient by the accidentally or some emergency cases, the patient is had alcohol or not, they are checking on their writing ETOH. Intake history are often recorded as part of the patient history. It is alcohol taken, they are mentioned. Okay, is taken alcohol ETOH. And FX. FX means simple word fracture by the any bone. Bike accident, hand fracture, leg fracture. They are writing FX leg. Any leg or hand or forearm or hand, fingers, like they are writing FX. Next one G is G under the medical terms, the medical abbreviations. G is one of the meaning gram, a unit of weight. You can use the 1 gram, 2 grams, 3 grams. In anatomy, mostly you can use heart weight, kidney weight, liver weight for purpose in grams only. Next one, GOMER, 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 slang for get out of my May emergency room. Okay, slang for get out. मतलब few of the patients immediately by the accident they are joining in the hospital in the emergency care ICU. After that, after few days or 1 day or 1 hour, sometimes is ready, is almost fit. The patient almost fit and ready to go in the ward from the emergency to the ward. That time they are writing GOMER, GOMER, get out emergency room. Next one, GVHD, graft. Okay, graft host disease. It is completed by the syndromes of acute and chronic graft versus host disease. It means when the patient go need to grafting, tissue grafting or vein grafting, the time they have to write the GVHD. Next one, GTT, drops, eye drops, oral drops, GTT. The code is the GTT. The medicine name and if they mention the GTT, the drops. In this slide, we can see the medical abbreviations related to H, H and H, hemoglobin and hematocrit. In this code, when the patient have the problem of anemia, that time we can diagnose both hemoglobin and hematocrit. Uh, it's called also PCV, packed cell value. Hematocrit also you can call PCV. Hemoglobin you can write the short form HB. In medical terms in patients they are mostly they mention the HH and H and P. History and physical examination. History and patient history and physical exam both should be mentioned. Physical examination like a weight and a height, BP, like a vital signs is there. They mention things. H dot S dot, H dot and S dot at bedtime. As in taking a medicine at bedtime, this is the one of the coding. Before bed, before going to sleep, you have to take the medicine H dot S dot. And H by O or small or capsule H by O is there. That is the history of a past event and occurred. मतलब, like for example, today I went to the hospital to join for the treatment for the fever. Okay, the doctor will be asking from the how many days, how much long you have the fever. That is the history. Something the history like yesterday body pains is there or not. Okay, the type of things you have to discuss here. Coding is the HO. Next one, HA, headache. Simply headache. Stomach, like a, the complete head is pain. There. Next one, HRT, hormone replacement. Okay, hormone replacement therapy means matlab some people are having the thyroid abnormality or follicular stimulating hormone abnormality. That time we are given the providing medicine based upon the concentration present in the blood. We are going to the given the particular, okay, 5 mg, 10 mg, 20 mg, like that one. The drug concentration will be increased based upon the patient concentration values. Next, HTN, hypertension. HTN, hypertension, high blood pressure. Okay, the last slide in this topic, matlab in this presentation, the medical abbreviations related to eye. The first one, IBD, inflammatory bowel disease. It's like related to intestine, large intestine or small intestine, like stomach. Okay, IBD, inflammatory bowel disease. Next one, ICU. I think if you went to any hospital, you can observe their ICU is there. The name is their ICU, intensive care unit. Okay, if the patient having the severity of the disease or infection, that time they sent to the ICU only. Okay, emergency care, intensive care unit. Okay, next one, IM, intramuscular. When you would buy the hospital, when you would buy the one injection or injection, the mostly the coding is there. IM, IV, subcutaneous, like that one. This is the IM means intramuscular. Okay, muscle. The injection should be given to the muscle. Next one, IMP, impression. IMP means impression. This is the summary conclusion of the patient condition by the healthcare professionals at that particular date and time. Okay, for example, today, this time, what is the particular time in this time, what is the like a patient condition, whether he is sleeping, okay, he is sleeping, इसका heartbeat and इसका pulse rate, उसका BP, you have to mention and you have to sign by the doctor. That is the present impression. Next one, ITU, intensive therapy unit. Okay, intensive therapy unit. This is also one of the treatment unit. In vitro. In vitro means mostly in 12th standard also we can listen in vitro, in vivo. Okay, in vitro means in the laboratory. In the laboratory, whatever you are done experiment, whatever you are doing the practicals, that all the I in vitro. It's called the in vitro, or in the laboratory. In vivo, in the body. In the body. For example, why they call in vitro and in vivo? Particular, for example, one bacteria, the antibiotic sensitivity reaction, particularly in vivo is the different, in vitro is the different. The both are we can correlate, then only we can provide the particular antibiotics to the patient. Okay, that's why in vitro and in vitro most important as a science background students. IPF, idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, a type of the lung disease. And IU, international units, or some of the parameters in the blood or parameters in the biological proper, like chlorides, calcium, you have to mention IU, international units, like how we are going for the cubic mm or centimeter, same way you have to write the international unit IU. Dear students, here support you YouTube links and textbooks also is available. Kindly you can go through this one. These are the textbook and these are the YouTube. Number 3 is the YouTube, remaining are textbooks. Thank you. Thank you all my dear students.